Hello, this is RJ, and I will be sharing to you a technical analysis for our Bitcoin. Okay, futures. Today is November 20, 7:42 p.m. So I'll be sharing to you the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, the 4 hours time frame, and the hourly time frame. And for the entry point and the exit, the stop loss, and the take profit, and what price prediction we will be aiming. Okay, so let's begin. So let's start first with the big picture. Of course, our big picture is the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame, our weekly time frame is still very bullish. Okay, I repeat, our weekly time frame is still bullish. Why? It haven't touched yet our blue line for the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, so if you are familiar with the Ichimoku cloud, the first support will be the blue line, the second support will be the red, the third support will be this line here, the first line in the cloud, and the last support, the strongest support, will be this red here. Okay, so if you look at the market, every time it touches it, there will be a bounce back. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so Ichimoku cloud, check it in 1 day time frame. There. So it's a strong support here. So they can't break it. So it bounces back. The last cloud. Okay. So that's a strong support right there. So now we are gonna test again this support. Or if not, then we will fly. Okay. To the moon. So for our EMA ribbon, we have break the last support. This EMA ribbon here. But the good news is, after breaking it, we're back. Okay? So, the candle went back. So, now we are hanging in the last support of EMA ribbon. And this is very crucial that this week, this day, before 12 hours, before this ends, that we will hold this support. Okay? We touch the next resistance and we back off. So, we need to stick and hold this one so that we can go to the moon. Okay, we need to hold this line right here. So if we look at the candle in 1 day time frame, here is the candlestick. This is a bullish harami. Okay, this too is a bullish harami. Okay, let's bullish harami. The same candle here, bullish harami. So red, big red candle and then small green candle, it means it's going bullish. Okay, so big red candle, small red candle, long wick green candle, it means it's bullish. So the next candle, this candle, if you want to trade, if you are a day trader, you can enter this trade and this can be a good sign for bull. Okay, you can generate up to here. This support, you can take profit here, 58,998, or another support, another resistance, 59,500, or this one, 60,000, or this one, 60,500. Last is 61,000. Okay? So this is a bull candle. Okay, that is for our 1 day time frame. Okay, let me show you some charts here. So for our weekly support, our strongest support, this is daily support, daily and weekly support. This will be our strongest support, okay? So this will be the last touch for our weekly support, okay? So if you see, there is also here, we also have here the Ichimoku cloud support, okay? So this yellow line I made here is a strong support. So if the trend goes down straight, it will just touch this one with a long wick and then bounces back. Okay? So let's see if it's still the trend. Okay, let's check the 4-hour time frame. For our 4-hour time frame, we can see that the trend has been changed. Okay? You form a line here from top and then you realize it's a new trend because the candle just broke out. Okay? It's forming new trend. Okay? So, if it did not broke out, what happens is the bear flag will continue. Here's the bear flag. This one. This is the flag, bear flag. Okay? So, the breakout. This candle is the breakout. So, if you want to trade a bear candle breakout, do not trade the first candle breakout. Trade the next candle. Okay? Because the first candle might become fake out. So, it will first touch and then it bounces up. So, then you get, it will only touch the stop losses and then it goes up. So, don't trade the first candle. Trade the second candle because it's a confirmation that it will go down. Okay, so see the second candle, it's going down. Okay, so if this bear flag continues, the target profit for this is here. See, the target profit will be up to 52,400. This will be the target profit for the bear flag. But since it did not, because of the strong support here, it bounces back. Okay? So it touches support, then it bounces back. So now we have changed the trend. So how do we trade this one? How do we make money from this? We are neither bull nor bear. We only look for opportunities to trade. Okay? So you don't label yourself a bull or a bear. You just look out for the opportunities. Okay, so how do we trade this one for our 1-hour time frame? It is forming a cup and handle. So if it's forming a cup and handle, this one that I drew, this one, that is the cup and handle. If it is forming a cup and handle, let's draw it again. The cup, and then the handle will be formed. So if it forms like this one, then our take profit will be this one. Okay? So how much will be our take profit? 62,000. Okay? 62,000, and with our 62,000 fitting with our Ichimoku cloud resistance. Okay, 62,000. So if it is cup and handle, okay, of course this will be smaller. But if it is not cup and handle, then it will form another. And we can see here a bull flag. Okay, it's forming a bull flag. So here is the flag from bottom to top, and then this one, the flag. So the take profit for this one is from bottom to top, from top to bottom, then you drag it, and then you place it. The same take profit, 62,000. Okay, but of course, here's the EMA ribbon. We need to break this resistance. Okay? If you notice, there is so much resistance here. The next resistance will be 0.382. Okay? The next resistance, 60.99, 60,999, 61,000. Okay? So, if you want to trade this one, you can buy here 58,150. This is the new support. So you can buy here and then you sell here the 59,726. Okay? And then it will be retested and then it bounce lower. Then buy again and then sell again in 60,100. 61,000. Okay? Same. You always sell every time you hit this support and resistance. Okay? So if you notice, this 59,000 is a strong resistance that was once a strong support for this area. Okay? Another support resistance, 61,000, is also a strong support and resistance. So we might have hard time breaking it. Okay? But for our 1 hour time frame, we're already past done with the bear. It's already going up. The Ichimoku cloud has already crossed. It's already green. And then the first support has already went up. Okay? So you notice every time it crosses, it's a sign for a bull. Bull start again, okay? Bull run again. Let's check. Let's remove the EMA ribbon here. So it cross. You notice here, the blue line. Once it cross, what happened next? It went a bull run. Okay, from down, when it went up, it went a bull run. Okay, once it cross again, then sideways. Okay, so that is very important. The Ichimoku cloud with this blue line. Okay, so I hope this helps us. So we are already 12 minutes. All the best. All the best. So if you want to place a stop loss for this bull, you can place it here, the red line, 57.6, 57. Put it a little lower so that you will not be snapped out by the stop loss. Okay, so you will not be snapped out and you will not be removed from the trade. Okay, so all the best. Cheers.